Hello, this is a base that's being sold. This is my base. I've been working on it for a few years now, pretty much up to date. Inferno Dragons are second rank, second refit. Got all the cannons. It's not all lined up right now, but they're all there. I think some of them are probably in another. Been repairing kind of weird. Saturns are being worked on right now. As you can see, we got all the Nemis. So retrofit 2. We got the Manicores, retrofit 1, some of them. Fusions. Oh, they just look like fusions. Strikes. A couple of breachers. Oh, doing the bounty. Got a lurker, the Carnage. The Carnage really tears things up. Most of the turrets are level 10. Obviously, you can see we got a couple of level 10s with the new transformer on there and the heavy turrets. Got a fair amount of coin. Now we will have a look at. Let's have a look at builds. Let's have a look at the blueprints. Sorry. We got some old tech in here for sure. I've been playing for a while, but I pretty much got all the new tech as well. I don't think I'm missing too much. I think the only thing that I've been trying to get after is the range extender for the explosive Conqueror hulls. Limited blueprints. Got a bunch of extra stuff. Seems like they give out more things for you to spend time on. Barely really help your overall ability. Some extra advanced. We got some unbuilt Conqueror and Defender hulls. Extra Carnage, I haven't built that yet. Lots of different armors. Lots of shards being worked on. That's really not that important. Oh, frickin' YouTube. Tokens, okay, so. Well, we got 99 Citadel. Although I don't think you'd ever build that, but lots of Tide Seekers. You know, you just wanted to have a little fun. There's a ton of tokens for different things here. I think I got a few for the newer. We got a few for the Inferno Dragons and stuff. If you wanted to update those. A couple of Nemis and Shrikes. Still working on it. Lots of VXP tokens. All kinds for all kinds of ships. Lots of Defender tokens. Any Defender you'll ever have pretty much has enough tokens to get them to max rank. Upgrade tokens. Lots of them. I'll probably use those pretty soon, getting everything upgraded. I don't personally work on the turrets that much, but I got a few tokens in here for that. Mega. The Megas. See, I don't work on the Mega too much either. I throw a little bit at it here and there, but there's lots of tokens to upgrade that as well. One sec, and back. Let's see. What else? Oh, Rogue Crews. Got a lot of good Rogue Crews set up. A lot of yellows. Actually, the vast majority of it is yellow. Couple of Sons of Skullduggery. If you played for any amount of time, you'll know that for some reason the Rogue Crew recruiting system is just, it's broken. Like, you'll barely ever get to see these ones. Legendaries are very rare now. Lots of Demolition Squad. We got a bunch of Grease Monkeys and just a ton of Remote Raiders. I only have a few Conqueror hulls that have drones. Don't know what this is. We got this from one of the raids. I kept it around. I guess I must have placed in the top tier. Lots of 2-star salties. A few other 2-stars, and I leave a few spaces open. This one, I haven't seen this one drop in forever. Radar runners. Okay, what else? Pretty much all caught up on the weekly for the most part. I do all this junk with the limited blueprints, kind of a pain in the butt, but it's all caught up. Oh, our bonuses. So I've done all the objectives in the R&D, so that's all done. Come on. So coming soon. Been coming soon for about a year. But there's your bonuses. Unfortunately, this account is on the Zixi site, as you can see up there. Let's see. What else? Thinking. Oh, we got some ships in storage. So these are the ships in storage. I didn't find much use for them right now. Monarch was one of the ones I really wanted to get made, but that was a long time ago. Savage Kodiak comes in handy for some of the newer assault fleets. If you don't have the lead ship yet, this one can just help. Let it sit back and let your fleet go off and do whatever. I keep the same thing for Unshackled. Gives you the extra radioactive survival and reload. Works good if you're doing like a radioactive fleet. I think I used that before the Shrike lead got built, and this before the Nemi lead got built. Also, sometimes Aegis come in handy. If there's not too much splash, they could be refit to work out real nice. Oh, yeah. You'll see in my fleets that what can I take out? Take this out. So I'm still working on these Praetorians. Just wanted to try and get them ranked up. I only popped them out recently, but we got the Ghost Crawler. A little old, might need to be updated, but it's built. That's like a 30-day build or some crazy thing with nothing on it. So we've got the Hellstar. Once again, probably needs to be updated, but it's built. I have a limited blueprint of the Nemi, of the regular Nemesis, and I never got to build that. And I think we're just about to the point where you can use the Man of War, and a fair bit has gone into shards for the Ceades, the other super hull. Gluttonies, they still have a place, but it's pretty rare now with all the deflection and whatnot. They were pretty badass back in the day. Basically just keep these subs around for farming. Farming up some cargoes if you don't want to do other things. So there's a bit of room for improvement for sure. Yeah, so that's the account. Could be yours. Thank you.